Alright, this is a behind the scenes look at BurnEye, the crypto alchemist's studio and lab. We got the wet bar. We have the alchemy experiments. We have the command chair. We have the old school typewriter. We have all sorts of electrolysis coil monoatomic experiments. We have the computer running the podcast. We've got cameras. And actually we're changing this camera over to a new section today. It's the monthly or series episode. Each specific series, like the alternative history, we'll be doing a book review on alternative history books. The free energy anti-gravity real science podcast will be doing a book review on an alternative free energy device book each month as well, right? So we're gonna start doing book reviews. That's a big part of it, because I got books for days. We got books like, we got the physics books that I used to take in school, and then we got post-secondary, of course, and then we got forbidden sciences. And what else do we got here? We got lots of paper where we're writing our own books, and then we got big ideas in our books that we are filling out, but that's for another day. We got Stephen Wolfram, New Kind of Science books. But then we got more written books by me. But then we've got books and books. And I went a little off topic, but that's okay, because here now we can show the other part of the studio. This is the front-facing monitors where I mainly sit and do the interviews from, and then now adding this whole section for other guests to be part of the in-studio multi-person interview from this location. And as we start cleaning out today, taking all of these crates of clothes to the new shop to set up. All of the fish tanks are currently empty, but I am going to be putting all of the jars of monoatomics and electrolysis experiments into them, both displaying them so they're not like just all over the place in boxes and on the floor and everywhere else, but using the rinsed ones like these, bluish, more oxidized silver, and then pinkish and purple gold and silver. And those ones, as well as this one's another one there, the purple. But point being, utilizing these ones in the agricultural alchemy portion, and these ones in the Free Energy Fridays portion. Oops, little free tostite branding there. Also going to be doing more Year of the Coil work in episodes. Shout out and Slay by Truth and my Pog collection. And more monoatomics. And here's some of the crystals and rocks collected from last year summer's expeditions. Some fossils in there and stuff. And then we go outside. And we have More rocks from last summer's expeditions. We have some shelving, some chairs, work table, racking, dog kennel racking, mannequins, A-frame sign, and then we have BurnEye's starting to form the different lists of businesses, pilot projects, rough sketches of ideas, as well as layouts and blueprints of the shop, and then the 3-month, 6-month projects, plans, and the different companies, the different businesses, so forth, the contracts to come, and what we're going to make of all of this. So much work to be done, and that's what we're doing, and continue to do, and continue to record it, and put it on camera for all you beautiful souls to see. Ta-ta.